Hi guys, welcome back to Velcast. Okay, good day, good morning, good evening, wherever you're watching from. My name is Utolumide. So I did a video, the last video I made. So it was about blockchain, crypto ambassador jobs. Okay, so and I got a lot of questions and DMs asking me to touch some parts that I did not cover in the video. So you guys talked and I've listened. Okay, so I'll be answering 5 questions that I got. Okay, I got 5 questions, so I'll be answering them in this video. So stay tuned, and there will be a bonus at the end of this video, so make sure you stick with me to the very end. Right, let's go. Okay, so the first question here says, what are the basic tasks to do? Basic tasks to do. So now, when you're applying for this blockchain ambassador, crypto ambassador, or whatever you want to call it, okay, so it is always stated in the medium, maybe the medium post, the tweet, and everything. It's always highlighted. Okay, these are the things that you'll be coming to do, and also, okay, so it will be listed there. And if it is not listed there, please understand that you are coming in as an ambassador, and your job, your primary aim and objective is to make the company, the project go viral, make everybody see it. Okay, so most of the time you are needed to come and show off your content creation skills. You can write articles, create memes, create infographics, create videos, just to make the project blow up. Okay, that's your basic job. Okay, so those are the normal tasks you do. All right, so you understand? Cool. Now can you share your experience? Okay, my experience. I've worked with quite a few blockchain projects. Bluezell as an ambassador. Okay, Bluezell, EPNS Push, Router Protocol, Eternity Blockchain, and the likes. So basically, I'm just going to share my experience based on the first ambassador job that I did. So this is how it goes. So once you are recruited, okay, so you'll be added to a Telegram group or a Discord channel. Okay, so if you're not comfortable with these two apps, I will surely recommend that you download this app and play around with it. It's not difficult, right? It's not difficult, trust me, it's not difficult. So just download the app and you're good to go. So once you are recruited and you're selected so and you're added to the ambassador chat, so there is an announcement forum and there's a general chat. So updates will be sent to the announcement channel. Okay, so your job is to check the announcement channel every day for updates. Okay, so once there's a new update, probably a partnership, maybe a beta testing or a new feature is rolling out, and also, so your job is to make this thing go viral. This information, make it go viral. Job is spread it. That's your job. You are the ambassador. Spread it. Post on your Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, everywhere you are on. Okay, write articles about it. Create different content, memes, infographics, videos, all sorts. Just create all these things, and as you are posting it, you copy your links to all this content you create as proof. Okay, basically that's what we all do. We copy all these links and put inside a notepad. All right, so at the end of the month you submit all these links to the coordinator of the ambassador program. So the team grades all your jobs. The links are proof that you did some works at the course of the month. They're evidence. All right, so they grade it, rate the quality of your job. Okay, and they publish a spreadsheet containing your names and the rewards. Okay, so for transparency's sake, and you get rewarded. So basically that's how my experience has been so far. You get recruited, you're added to a channel, and once there's an update, you repost, create your own content about the update and you share online. I copy all my links in one place. So when it's time to submit the task, I submit my task and my wallet address. Okay, so and I get rewarded at the end of the month, basically after they are done grading the job. So that's my experience. So now the third question here says, do I need a crypto knowledge before I apply for a crypto ambassador role? Yes, you need to have basic understanding about crypto. You don't need to be a badass pro and all sorts, but you just need to have basic knowledge about crypto, such like you should be able to know, create wallets, deposit, withdraw, and all sorts. Okay, and most importantly, you should be able to read and understand the project that you are the ambassador for, because that's very, very important. Okay, it is very, very important. People will come to you, ask you all sorts of questions about the project you are posting about, like, hey bro, you post about this project, what's up about it? Then you can tell, okay, this project is blah blah blah. You get? So read the white paper, go on their website, check out their Twitter handle, just make sure you are grounded. Cool. So now, do I need a CV or a resume to apply for a blockchain ambassador job? Most of the time you don't, and there are times that you need one, but most of the time, like let's say 80% of the times, you don't need a CV or a resume. But if the project demands that you have a CV or resume, then go ahead. There are a lot of templates online. Okay, there are so many templates online that you can just edit to your taste and you can apply with it. But most of the time you don't need a CV or resume. Okay, so what's the payment mode or method? Now you are working for a crypto startup or a crypto project, whatever you want to call it. They're going to pay you in crypto. Obviously, you're going to get paid in crypto. Okay, so most of the time it's either they give you your native token or they give you USDT, but the bulk of the time it tends to give us their native token in order to like add value to their token. Okay, so to answer the question, we're going to pay the crypto. Cool. So now I posted a video last week. So as part of the ambassador opportunity that I posted, there was one that has to do with Gladiator Score. So I got in, and the program will be starting on the 25th of this month. So I will advise that there's still time, so you can shoot your shot, and I really hope that you guys get selected for these ambassador programs, and you can start your ambassador experience in the crypto space. Okay, so the bonus that I said I'll be adding to this video is that I'll be adding 5 fresh crypto ambassador jobs in the description below, so you can also check it out and you can shoot your shot. So if you get into anyone, please come back and comment under this video with your testimonial. Okay, I'll really appreciate that, as it's going to give me more more vibe and energy to keep creating content like this. So with that being said, I guess I've answered 5 questions that I got. So thank you guys for asking me this question, and thank you for watching this video and sticking with me to the end. So till next time, bye, peace out.